Alright, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make chat tags that can display, owner, or if you're in a group, or if you're just a guest. So the first thing we want to do is just make a script in script service, and then I'll just call that chat tag script. And now we can start scripting the chat tags. First thing I want to do is make a chat service variable, so local chat service. We're not going to set it to anything yet, we're just going to leave it like that. And now we're going to make a function to load a player's chat tag, so just call that function. Load chat tag, and then a pair of brackets, and then the player's name, so take the name variable. And then now we want to get chat service if we don't already have it, so if not chat service, then we want to set the chat service variable equal to require game get service script service wait for child chat service runner. I'll zoom out a bit so you can see what I'm doing. And then wait for child chat service. So that's going to get chat service. And now we can do local player equals game dot players find first child name. And then local ID equals player dot user ID. And then local speaker equals chat service get speaker name. And now we can say local speaker equals nil, and then while speaker equals nil, do speaker equals chat service get speaker, and then the name, and then if speaker isn't equal to nil, then break end, and then wait 0.01. So what this is going to do is, while we don't have a speaker yet, it's going to wait essentially until the player is a speaker in the chat. And now we've done that, we can set some data, set some tags for the player. So first of all, we're going to find out if the player is the owner. So how we can do that is we can say if ID equals, and now we need to get your player user ID. So how we can do that is if you go to the Roblox website, and then if you find your profile, so I go to my profile here, in the top URL bar, you'll find this number. That is your user ID. If you just copy that and then go back to Roblox Studio, you can then paste it. So if this is your ID, then you are the owner. So we want to give you the owner tags. So to give the tags, what we're going to do is we can say speaker set extra data and a pair of brackets and then tags and then a comma and then 2 of the curly brackets. And then in here we want to say tag text equals and then whatever you like, but I'm just going to say owner. And then comma tag color, and then whatever you want the tag color to be. So we'll just do color3.new, and then let's just say I want it to be like darkish red. You can choose it from the color wheel, or you can type out a color. So this is our owner tag. We can now go and copy this, and we can say else if, and now we're going to find out if the player is in our group. So you can skip this if you don't have a group, but if you do, you can say if player is in group, and a pair of brackets, and then you want to get to your group ID. So for me, that is this number here. And you can get a group ID by, again, going to the Roblox website, and then finding your group. So this is my group here. And then in the URL bar, copying this number again. And now back in Roblox Studio, we're just going to say then. And then we're going to copy this again. And we're going to paste it here. And we're just going to change the color to whatever you want the other color to be. So I'll make for group members, I'm just going to make it blue. And I'm going to change the tag text to member. And then I'm just going to say else. So if the user isn't in the group, then I'm going to paste this again. So copy and paste. And I'm going to change the color to white. And I'm just going to change the tag text to guest. Alright, so now we've made our function. What we're going to do is going to have an event that fires every time a player joins the game. So game.players.player added connect function. And then in these brackets, just take the player object. And then we're going to say load chat tag player.name. Right. And now you can play the game. But as you can see currently when I type in the chat, it's pink, but that's not the colour I set it to. The reason that is because I've spelt colour wrong. You need to spell it with the American spelling, COLOR. So just make sure tag colour is spelt correctly. So now if we play the game again, you can see that if I say hello or yes, you'll see I get the correct colour. So that was how you can make chat tags in Roblox Studio. If you found this helpful, then please subscribe. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.